Hi everyone, I am Vidusha Prabhakaran and I am a data analyst intern at IYAP. As a part of leadership and advocacy program, today's session was about knowing yourself, which was really powerful experience for me. We did an activity called Jagari Windows, which is helped me explore four areas of myself. So open, hidden, blind and unknown. Let me explain each area and the characteristics I discover. In open area, these are things that both I and other knowing about me. I am honest, supportive, easygoing. I don't take things too seriously, friendly and funny. In hidden area, these are things that I know about myself, but other may not. So sometimes I overthink situation. Even when I feel angry, I usually hide it because I don't want other to worry. I'm a sensitive person and creative with idea. In hidden area, these are things that others see in me, but I might not realized. I seen person. I often take initiative and I'm willing to take risk. Good at motivating my peers. In unknown area, these are things either I nor other fully know yet. So potentially for public speaking and leadership, creating with in problem solving, I didn't confident that grow with experience. So this activity helped me reflect on myself, understanding my strength and area to improve, and learn how I can grow both personally and professionally. So yeah, thank you for listening.